How to rotate your video on InShot app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate your video in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is simple. Just go to InShot. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go down, click on the video option right here. Click on it like this. Now as you can see, you will be able to upload your video from here or choose from your drafts. Like me, I already have this video. Now click on your video and it will take you to this page. Go down here on this bar and swipe right like this until you find the rotate option. Click on rotate. Now as you can see, you can rotate your video as you want, easily and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.